friends, running kimono. This is day one of the Dollar General clearance event, and this clearance event is taking place right till May the 7th. So just under a week, and there's so many great quarter deals and cheap stuff. So we're going to go through all of it in this video. Now, I'm just going to let you guys know at my stores, usually there's one or two that are 70. For this event, it's 50% across at most of the stores, happening at all the stores in the US. So it's really, really fantastic when you can get items at 50% off and then put digital coupons and get them for free or a quarter. If you need the basics and the 1, 2, 3, a walkthrough of this whole thing, watch this video linked at the very end. I posted it on Monday and it has a lot of information and we walk through everything step by step by step. There's also some items that are not ringing up properly. I think like the Axe body wash off the top of my head. This is my haul. It's not too spectacular, but I'm very proud of it. I went for a lot of items that were exactly a quarter, like this soft soap refill, $1.25 for the Clean Freak, quarter Old Spice, 10 cents for the soft soap, 35 cents for that cookie dough mix. Sorry, I'm going so fast. My camera work sucks. And $2.25 for the Viva. We'll go through everything really quickly, but this was under $20 for everything, so I'm really happy. And I got $2 back for the cookie mix, and I even got some Easter stuff. And I'm not really much of an Easter shopper, so I'm very happy with this. It's a week-long clearance event, so if you can get out, I absolutely would. Why not? This first item is $2.70. We have a $3 coupon making it completely free, and the expiry date isn't until next year, I think. I did find some toothpaste that was also going to be free, but it expired in March, and some of the mouth rinses I saw that would also be cheap expired last September. Left it all at the store. So it's the top one. And for the bottom one, just to answer a quick question, yes, you can use digital manufacturers, just not digital stores. And the 10 back will show on your account like probably within an hour after you do your transaction. And you have to buy 1001 of P&G items, and the $10 coupon will melt off for you. Hopefully that's crystal clear. You can use manufacturers, just not store coupons. Please pay attention to that. The next fabulous item that I found was this hand soap. I only found 2 of them. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So after that coupon, it's 20 cents for 2 or 10 cents per soft soap. I'm going to show you the UPC and the coupon. Here's the UPC. It says that all of my stores have a bunch of them, but I don't know if they just didn't pull them at most stores. I'm definitely going to have to add this to the list because who doesn't like really inexpensive hand soap? And here is the coupon that you're going to load for this. It's a 2 off of 2. These are $1.35. It's the Betty Crocker's soft bakes, and we have $1 cash back. So after that, it's 35 cents for these cookie mix, and the expiry date on that is for a really long time. I thought my mother-in-law might enjoy these, so I did get her a couple bags of them. And yeah, so just make sure that you have your Dollar General cash back loaded so you can get it. I got 2 of them today, so. And here it is. The limit is up to 5 if you find that. Maybe if you want to do it with the 5 off 25 tomorrow, that's an idea. And as I was talking about Easter stuff, so here's an example of one. This dollar, it's like a cellophane that you just put your stuff in and then it becomes a basket automatically. It's 15 cents right now with the clearance event. So stuff like this that you can use all year long, yes. 53 cents for this bag of 20 Lifesavers lollipops. They do look kind of Eastery, but they also look very cute. 53 cents. They also have the Dollar General generic ones that I think were 15 cents, but I thought, you know, this would probably be a bigger hit with the kids. Who doesn't love that? And then this is also following Easter, which is really odd. It's a Taylor Swift book, and there's a whole bunch of photos. So if you might have a little one that's really into Taylor Swift, hey, 75 cents for this. And most stores, it was just in some regular section. It wasn't even pulled with the Easter stuff. So yeah, I mean, I would absolutely look for this. Like, why not? This was $1.75, and I actually gave it to another shopper because there was only one left at the store, and she had like 2 kids in her cart with her, and she saw it, and she just was like, oh my God, that's going to be $1.75. And I'm like, here, take it. So I got to look at it for a couple minutes, and then I gave it to somebody else. We have a $2 digital coupon. It's $3.75. After the coupon, it's $1.75. And I wanted her to have it, and she got all excited. And yes, I did share some stuff out of my cart. I always do, especially when I find like something in a huge amount, like soft soap or something like that. A couple other shoppers wanted one. Of course, I'm going to share. We have the Old Spice in the Batman or the Superman for $2.25. We have a $2 digital coupon, making this a quarter, like for Old Spice. Absolutely. There's also a deodorant in this superheroes motif, and it would be, I think, $1 because it's $3. But it's this Batman or the Superman. So they're probably discontinuing this, and who knows why. Probably something to do with a movie last winter or fall or something like that. I don't know. But they did have like deodorants and the body washes, but I really wanted the body wash because the last time I got the Batman deodorant. And here's the two different UPCs, and yeah, there it all is. I would definitely stock up, especially for 25 cents, guys. That's just a smart thing. Just to show you guys, I just bought a couple here and there, but it started tracking for my fetch to spend $50 to get back $9 or whatever it is. And I have like 20 tracking so far. So very happy with that. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, this is your opportunity today. Check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first receipt, it could be anything. An extra $2 with my code. Sign up today. One thing I did not stock up on was a lot of these like $5, $6 paper because we get so much at Walgreens for so less. But this is also still a great price point. $5.55 with the $3 digital. I just wanted to show these again because I think they're just like fantastic. This is also tremendous. The Bounty 8 equals 20 for $6.45 after the $3 digital coupon. I mean, it's fantastic. Any way you slice the pie, look for it in the regular section with the other paper towels. I did buy 3 of these for $2.25. It's a 3-pack of the Viva. It's the multi-surface cloths. So it's not the one that sticks together. It's the other one, which we prefer in our household, but we do go through a lot of these. We have little pets and they do make a lot of messes. So I'm delighted with this to find a couple of them. One store had them right at the front, so that was really fantastic. Lots of stores also don't have anything staged, which I love because it's easier to find whatever you're looking for when stuff doesn't get pulled, because most shoppers will not root around the store and look around. This Unstoppable, it's in the scent Breeze, not Ocean, because Ocean looks identical to this one. It's 25 cents after that $2 digital coupon. I only found 2 of them, but I'm still happy with the 2 that I found. It's better than nothing. But yeah, you really got to pay attention. So it is the scent Breeze. This Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner, it's a smaller one for 80 cents after that $1 digital coupon. Now, with that $1 digital coupon, there's some Clean Freaks, which are the trigger sprays. If you suffer from really bad arthritis, I have a parent who does, and I'm on the fast track for that too, just really bad arthritis in our hands. These sprays that are continuous, you can see from the trigger at the top. I do a really great job with my photography today. That $1 coupon still attaching. These are 50%, so it makes them $1.25. And you have the bathroom scent and the lemon scent. The lemon one is a favorite, but I know my mom, she has arthritis problems, but this is totally her speed. This bathroom cleaner. So I did get her a couple of those, even for $1.25. When you think about the average price for these, well, at Home Depot, they're almost $8. So to pay $1.25, I kind of have to reconcile that myself because sometimes I can be so cheap, but this is definitely a stock up price, guys. Now I'm going to let you guys know, a couple of the mouth rinses and some toothpaste. Look at the expiry date. And a lot of you might say, well, you're being stupid, just buy it. Yes, that's a really valid point. We have these $5 digital coupons that are attaching to some of the fancier toothpaste, but you're still going to have to pay the tax on this. And on a toothpaste that's on clearance for like $4 and some change, that $5 will zero it out. You still have to pay tax on that. So I wasn't even going to pay tax. It expired last March and I was like, absolutely not. And a lot of the mouth rinses that I saw expire, I think, in last September. be really careful. Look at those expiry dates. And good luck, guys. Have a lot of fun. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.